Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve the problem find resultant array after removing anagrams. So the problem statement is as follows. You are given a zero index string array words where words I consist of lowercase English letters. In one operation, select any index I such that I is in the range of words dot length and words I minus 1 and words I are anagrams and delete the word I from the words. Keep performing this operation as long as you select an index that satisfies the condition. Return words after performing all operations. It can be shown that selecting the index for each operation in any arbitrary order will lead to the same result. So we can start from the beginning and we can start from the end. An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or phrase using the original letter exactly once. For example, DACB is an anagram of ABDC. So let's move on to the example one. The example one array is words arrays like A, B, B, A, and so we can see that CD is an anagram of CD, and B, B, A, A is an anagram of B, A, B, A, and B, A, B, A is an anagram of A, B, B, A. So we will remove this word, and this word. So only this one and this one will be left in the final output. And what is in example 2 there are no anagrams, so the whole original array will be the anagram. So what approach I'm gonna follow is we will take a temporary array in an array of strings in which we will store the words and we will sort each of the word, and then after sorting each of the word we will compare it with the starting from the index 1 we will compare it from the previous word. If it is equal, then we will move ahead, and if it is not equal, then it will be the part of the answer array, vector of string answer array. So now let's move on to the code. So first of all, we need to take a temporary string array. Now, now in temporary, I will sort each of the word, each element of the array. Sort word dot begin, word dot end. Now I'm letting me make an answer array vector string answer, and for I we will we also need to make an index array in which we will store the indexes, and we need to push the first index because there can't be a zeroth index because there can't be an index previous to it which is an anagram to it. Index dot push back 0, and after that for int I equals to 1, I is less than words dot size I plus plus, and then we can take it to be equal to temp also, like temp dot size. If temp I is equal to temp I minus 1, we won't do anything. Con Continue. Else we are just gonna put that index dot push back I into the index array, and after that we will run one more loop. Int I equals to 0, I is less than index dot size I plus plus, and we are just gonna put answer dot push back words index I. So let's return answer, and let's run the code first to see if there is any compilation error or small errors. So it is. So I guess there is some issue with the temp array. Cout temp I. I guess they aren't sorted. They aren't sorted. So let's change the sorting loop. And I equals to 0. I is less than temp dot size. I plus plus and sort temp I dot begin temp I dot end. Now it will work fine, I guess. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's now submit the code and see if it works for all test cases. Yeah, it's working for all test cases. Now let's analyze the time complexity. So we are using an order time and space complexity basically. So we are using an order n space here, and we are using an order n space here, order n space here, order n space here. So the time complexity is O of 3n or basically On, and the space complexity is order 3n, that is basically order n. The time complexity is here the let's take the average size of the temp average size of an element in temp to be equal to k, so the time complexity of this loop will become order, like we are running it for n times star k log k would be the time complexity of this loop, where k is the average length of the element in temp. And now let's see the time complexity. This is order n. N is the size of the words array, and this is also order n. So the time complexity is O of n star k log n k. So let me put it here. Space complexity is order n, and the time complexity is order n star n k log k. So thank you for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe the video.